Hi, I'm Olga Prinku, and I'm the creator of Flowers on Tulle Embroidery. There are lots of places you might find my work: galleries, online, and magazines, and maybe even amongst the flowers. Flowers on Tulle Embroidery is a new type of craft born entirely out of my experimentation. I enjoy being in and observing nature, especially the life cycles of plants, and I use a lot of my own dry flowers in my embroidery work. I take inspiration from other botanical artists, as well as the art folklore of my home country, Moldova. I start each project with a basic idea, or just the color palette that suits my mood or the seasons. Then I freestyle, combining flowers and natural materials in ways I find aesthetically pleasing. There's something so wholesome about crafting floral shapes from actual flowers. In this Domestika course, I will introduce you to the Flowers on Tulle embroidery methods and teach you how to create your own artworks with it. For the final project, you will develop a complex botanical design on tulle fabric using flowers, foliage, and other plant-based material. First, I will discuss the different varieties of dry and preserved flowers available to buy and show you how to dry your own. Next, we'll select and prepare our hoop with tulle. I'll show you how to attach flowers to the tulle fabric and create basic symmetrical shapes with them. After we have chosen our palette and grouped our flowers, I will show you how to distribute our materials within the hoop and attach them. Finally, we'll add our accents and rebalance our design if needed. I'll also cover ways to protect and seal your work once it's done. By the end of this course, you will be able to create all sorts of gorgeous botanical embroidery designs using tulle, flowers, and other natural materials. To take this course, you will need an embroidery hoop, a piece of tulle fabric, a selection of dry and preserved flowers, micro tweezers, embroidery scissors, and PVA glue with a brush. Let your creativity blossom with Flowers on Tulle embroidery.